Welcome to the tutorial on looking up a document in DocVault. This tutorial will show you how to access the DocVault hyperlink, log on to DocVault, look up a document, and customize the column preferences. Are you ready? Consider the following scenario. Let's say a customer from California calls in about her Whirlpool Duet washer. California is a state where energy rebates may apply based on energy consumption, and so she would like to know what the energy consumption for her model is for the entire year. You need to look up the energy guide. After looking in Siebel, the customer management system, the energy guide cannot be found. You also have checked the Whirlpool.com website, and the energy guide is not there either. It is necessary at this point to look in DocVault to see if an energy guide exists for this model. To begin, you will need to access the DocVault hyperlink. This is found in the SharePoint Whirlpool Customer Experience Center portal. For this application, the SharePoint link has been saved as a favorite on the menu. The DocVault hyperlink is found on the home page of the Whirlpool Customer Experience Center portal. From the home page, look on the right-hand side where all of the quick links can be found. Scroll down to the section called Links. Under Links, look for the category called References and Job Aids. Click on the plus sign to expand the category. Select the DocVault hyperlink, which is found at the top of the list. To log into DocVault, use the same LDAP username, or in this case it's called the login name, and password as is used for Siebel, SharePoint, or the company portal. The login name must be entered in uppercase letters. Enter the password, keeping in mind that it is case sensitive. Click on the drop-down for the repository and make sure that DocVault has been selected. Click on the Login button next. DocVault opens up in the My Home Cabinet view, which is the same view that we need to look up our document. Enter the model number in the Search field, which is found on the left-hand side at the top of the menu bar. The model number does not need to be case sensitive. It is important to enter as much of the model number as possible. In this scenario, the customer was not able to provide the last two digits, which are the engineering digits. And so it is necessary to enter an asterisk at the end of the model number so that DocVault performs a fuzzy search. Once the model number has been entered, click on the magnifying glass to perform the search. The search produced 6 results, which can be seen as 6 PDF files. Each PDF file has been given 4 attributes. First is the name, next is the ranking, then the date on which the document was most recently modified, and last is the source, which in this case is DocVault. There is also a 5th column listed, which is the column Preferences. Opening the column Preferences shows additional attributes which can be displayed for each document. Everything from authors created, the creator, the life cycle, the modifier, and so forth. Down on the bottom is version. It's nice sometimes to know what version of a document you're looking at. If the customer calls in and is looking at version 1 and we are up to version 3, it may be time to send out a new document to the customer, like a use and care guide, for instance. So let's go ahead and add the version attribute to our columns. I have highlighted the version selection, and by using the arrow I'm going to move version over to the selected attributes box and then click on OK. Notice how version has been added as a column. Also note that the use and care guide has a revision B available for that document. In order to open our energy guide, I would click 2 times on the PDF icon. This concludes our lesson. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to look up a document in DocVault.